In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust upload settings in Google Drive fast and easy. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just looking to fine-tune your experience, these steps will help you manage your uploads more efficiently. To get started, the first thing you need to do is go to Google Drive and log in with your Google account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, you should see your list of files and folders. Now let's set our sights on the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the familiar gear icon, often referred to as the gearbox. This icon is your gateway to all the settings you'll need to fine-tune your Google Drive experience. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, select Settings. By doing this, you're opening up a new window where you can manage a variety of Google Drive settings that are at your disposal. Now that you're in the Settings window, let's focus on uploading options that affect how your files are handled once you upload them to Drive. Look for the option that says, Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. By checking this box, any compatible file you upload will automatically be converted into the appropriate Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides format. This is incredibly useful if you regularly use Google's suite of tools, as it ensures everything is seamlessly integrated and ready to be edited on the go. Of course, you can leave this option unchecked if you prefer to keep files in their original format. This could be beneficial if you're frequently collaborating with others who might be using different tools, or if you need to maintain the original formatting for specific files. Another tip is to periodically check back in these settings. Google frequently updates its services, and keeping an eye on these settings ensures you're making the most out of the features available. Plus, as your own needs and preferences evolve, you may want to adjust these settings to better align with your productivity goals. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Adjusting these settings will make your Google Drive experience more tailored to your personal or professional needs. Remember, Google Drive is a powerful tool, and a few tweaks to your upload settings can enhance your efficiency considerably. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.